Alright, welcome to this training video on the Model Annotations pack. The very first thing we're going to do is we're going to start with installing the extensions into Tekla Structures. Make sure Tekla Structures is closed, and then here, once you've downloaded the TSCP files, you can go ahead and install these all individually. TSCP just stands for Tekla Structures Extension Package, and if you've downloaded any content from the Tekla warehouse, you'll probably be familiar with this already. So let's just go ahead and start by double-clicking on DimGrid here as an example, and then this will open up the installer list. Here I've got all of these different versions of Tekla installed on my computer. The Model Annotations pack works in Tekla Structures 2016 and newer. In this case, I've already got 2018 installed, but you can basically select whichever version that you want, and then you simply press import, and then basically it'll say that it's queued for import. And then if you close, just make sure you say no to this message, so that way you don't delete the actual original file here, especially if you have this like on your network server drive for multiple people to download. So when you're installing, make sure you say no to deleting this after selecting the version you're importing in. Once you've done this for each one of the extensions, you'll start Tekla Structures, and then you'll then see the extensions available for you to use.